following India's aggression against Pakistan on 7th May 2025. It is deeply regrettable that India's actions set a dangerous precedent for unilateral aggression, pushing the entire region to the brink of a disaster. Our armed forces were fully prepared and responded decisively, shooting down 6 Indian Air Force fighter aircrafts. The Pakistan Air Force acted strictly in accordance with its mandate to target Indian aircraft that either violated Pakistan's airspace or discharged their payload against Pakistani territory. In light of India's unrelenting aggression, Pakistan was compelled to exercise its right to self-defense under Article 51 of the UN Charter to safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity. Accordingly, in the early hours of 10th May 2025, we launched Operation Bunyan Marsoos. Our response was mired, proportionate, and strictly targeted military installations. Pakistan's decisive success in neutralizing Indian fighter jets, drones, and military targets is now an and widely recognized facts that cannot be obscured by misinformation or propaganda. The objective of our action was clear: to demonstrate Pakistan's resolve, capability, and inherent right to defend its territory and people. Pakistan's effective counterstrikes have reinforced the credibility of its deterrence and dispelled any illusions of India's conventional superiority or its ambitions to impose hegemony in the region.